welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko and Deke. If today's your first day on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. So welcome back to the cooking series of Yoruba traditional foods. So today we're cooking asaro. But before we go into all of this today, we are going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language, as you know, right? Okay, on the count of Enyo, Ejo, Eta, Oya, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò gbogbo tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Aunty Deke. Ní ti tòní, a máa kọ́ bí a ti ń ṣe ẹ̀bẹ̀ ìyẹn tá à ń pè ní àsáró. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni màá máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, so today for our asaro we're gonna need our yam, ishu. Then we're going to need our tatashe, rodo. Then our atagigun, which is our chili powder. Then we're going to need our eja gbigbe, ede, and our isebe. Yes. Then we will need iyo, salt, iyo. Then we're going to need alubosa. Then we're going to need, this one is quite interesting. So, in Yoruba land, we call any form of vegetable efo before you now name the type of efo that it is. In this situation, I am using spinach. Now, spinach has two names in Yoruba. One is efo amunututu. Efo amunututu, and the other name for spinach in Yoruba is efo tete. Efo tete. Did you get that? Okay, let's move on. Now, our next ingredient is called wala. Okay. Now, then we're going to need epo pupa. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's start cooking. So first, what we want to do is we want to start peeling our yam. You start by cutting the yam, slicing the yam in circular shape. Now it depends on how you want to do it, but whatever you do, however you do it, ensure that all the brown bits are out of your white yam. So peel all the back of it, peel it all off, ensure that it's all clean and nice. Now after doing that, the beauty of asaro as well is having your yam cut into small cubes. When you have them cut into small cubes, when you need to mash the yam later on in this cooking journey, then it becomes a lot easier than when you have big chunks of yam slices. So just like you will see now, I have it cut into different slices, into cubes rather, and then have it rinsed properly. Rinse all the sand and stones from the back of the yam, get it into your stock pot and pour in hot water. Now I'm adding stockfish. This is totally optional. You do not have to add stockfish to it if you don't want to. It is optional, but I am adding my stockfish to it now with the raw yam because it takes a while for the stockfish to get soft. Now I am going to slice my onions and add my bouillon cubes and some more dry fish. I have some bunga fish as well. I just love my asaro to have a lot of fish. As you can see, I've got different types of fish in there. Even the crayfish, I've got loads of it in there. And just leave it to boil. You bring it to boil and cover it. Now while that is happening, we're going to blend our pepper that we're going to use for the asaro sauce. So I've got the rodo and the tatashe and the onions in there. Remember not to blend it too smooth. Now let's check on our yam. Okay, now we're gonna add some dry pepper. Now you can use fresh pepper, tatashe and rodo if you want, but on this occasion I am using dried ground pepper, which is chili powder. Now let's fry our asaro sauce. Now I'm using olive oil, like you know me, I'm all about the health thing. So I slice my onion and just leave it to fry a bit, not too brown, okay, so you don't get a bitter taste from the sauce. So I'm pouring my blended pepper into that and just let it boil while I go back to my asaro. Now it's time to pour the palm oil in. So I'm just going to leave the palm oil to cook because you don't want the oil to give you this weird taste in your mouth, okay, greasy taste in your mouth. So leave it to boil for a while and then keep stirring it. Then I'm going to go back again. So I'm just shoveling between my sauce and the asaro at this point. So put in my bouillon cubes and just leave it more again to keep frying. I need it to fry to the point that the oil starts suspending on the top of the oil. Now it's time to mash our asaro. So now I'm just going to keep mashing it. I'm going to keep mashing it and keep mashing it until I get the desired texture, whereby I want a bit of a pasty yam and, you know, some of the lumpy yam as well. So I'm going to keep doing that until I get the desired content that I want. As you can see, it's ready now. At this point, if you want to add your spinach, please do, okay, and just leave it to simmer for a bit and that is ready. Now to go back to my sauce, I'm just gonna check. Yes, the oil is beginning to suspend to the top of it, so it's giving me what I want. And now this is my sauce ready and my asaro as well is ready. See, this is looking so yummy. Oh my goodness. And this brings us to the end of our asaro lesson today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. If you did, okay, please like, share and comment, okay. And as you know, we're going to be saying our order but together on the count of Enio, Eji, Etao, Oya, O, double. Thank you so much, Eshu.